Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make cheese balls, and here I've got all the ingredients. I've got here potato, fresh coriander, spring onion, plain flour, corn flour, breadcrumbs, black pepper, chili flakes, salt, coriander, cheese. So we start with the potatoes to boil them first. Okay, so you chop the coriander really fine.
It need to be chopped
into fine pieces, like so.
Okay, spring onion chopped fine. Potatoes are done now, boiled. Okay, that's the potatoes. I took the skins off. I'm now gonna mash them. So that's the potato. I'll add the coriander and the spring onions, the spices, black pepper, and some cheese. Do a tablespoon of that was enough full spoon, so that's so a tablespoon. That's done. Okay, so this is the batter for the cheese balls. Okay, so we start the cheese ball. Okay, so we make a ball. We make a hole in there. Get some cheese. Put the cheese inside. And close it like so. It goes into the butter. Okay, I'm gonna make the balls first so it's easier. Okay, so we're just doing the filling now. We'll do the filling first of all of them, then we'll do the coating after. Okay, so that's the black pepper and salt added to the batter. Okay, so that's all the balls. I'm now gonna coat them with the breadcrumbs. So that's goes into here first, and then these are done and them to go. So I'm now going to fry these. Okay, you need to turn it carefully not to damage the coatings. Coming out really good. These are done. I'll take these out and put the next lot in. Okay, that's the last lot. And these are beautifully cooked. Okay, so let's try this one. Adding salt, paprika, okay, that's the cayenne pepper, black pepper, and I can't pronounce this, so I'll just show you. And yogurt. That's the fried niblets.